We've enjoyed a relationship for many, many years. It's a relationship that started with our fathers. Jeff now has third generation involved. I have two kids in college that hopefully will be involved soon, and it's family. It's all about relationships. We're in a competitive business, and one of the biggest things that we have that others don't have is this relationship that sets us apart from others. And A, it's a lot of fun, and B, it's a great recipe for business success. And so we're blessed, very fortunate to be a part of the Strong's team. It's a lot of fun.